Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I check my TransUnion credit score in Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Scotiabank app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, there are two ways to check your TransUnion credit score. The first option is simply tapping on my updates option, and once you tap on my updates, here you'll be seeing the option that says TransUnion credit score. Now in order to check it, simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you'll be able to check your credit score. Now the next option is simply by going back to your home screen of your Scotiabank app, and then on the bottom bar you'll be seeing these 5 options, and then on the middle you'll be seeing the Advice Plus option. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing the TransUnion credit score option. Now in order to check it, simply tap on it, and now that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.